A minimum pipe length violation occurs when the straight section of pipe between two adjacent components like fittings, valves, or equipment nozzles is shorter than the minimum length required for fabrication or practical installation. SP3D has built-in rules that check for this to ensure the design is physically possible to build. Primary cause. The most common cause is placing components too close together, leaving insufficient space for a straight pipe run. Example: placing an elbow directly after a valve with no straight pipe in between often violates the minimum cut length required by the pipe fabricator. How to identify the error pane. The violation will appear in the error pane, usually at the bottom of the screen. Graphical highlighting. The problematic short pipe segment and the connected components are often highlighted in the 3D model view. Solutions, from easiest to most complex. Here are the standard ways to resolve this error, ordered by practicality. Lengthen the pipe run, most common. Simply move one of the components, valve, elbow, etc., further away from the other. Use the move or drag command to increase the distance, creating a longer, valid, straight section of pipe. Reroute the pipe. Change the piping layout slightly to introduce a more natural and longer flow path. This might involve adding an offset or changing the direction earlier. Check component selection. Ensure you are using the correct components. Sometimes using a different type of fitting, e.g., a short radius versus a long radius elbow, can resolve the length issue. Modify the piping specification. Advanced. The minimum length is defined in the piping specification database. If the violation is for a legitimate, necessary short run, a database administrator might need to review and potentially modify the minimum length rule for that specific pipe size and class within the SP3D catalog. This is not a routine user action. Best practice. Always be mindful of component spacing during initial layout to avoid these violations. Think about the physical space needed for welding, bolting, and handling the pipe spool. In a nutshell, aspect description error pipe segment is too short to fabricate, cause components placed too close together. Solution: move the components apart to create a longer, valid pipe run.